Hi Draw Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Ginny from SuperKitties. So let's get started. To draw cute Ginny, let's first start by drawing a circle for her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. And I'm going to come right across, and after this circle, I'm going to come right across about right here and draw another circle. There. So now my two circles in, let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes with two smaller circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There, now my eyes in, let's come to the sides right here. We're going to spruce them up with some lash right here. So I'm going to come down about right here and draw a curve and thicken it up. So same thing over here. Just draw a curve coming out and thicken it up. There. So now that I have that, let's come in between the eyes and about right here, we're going to draw a little nose. So I'm just going to draw a curve and then connect it with a V right in the center. Then from there, let's draw a straight line down, and then about right here, we're going to curve up and cap it off on both sides. There. So from there, let's go ahead and draw her mask. So I'm just going to come maybe to where the eyes are about right here, come up, and same thing about right here. Give myself 2 points. Right about here, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve right in between. Then from there, I'm going to go up and draw her mask shape. So I'm going to go up as if you're drawing like a cat here to about, say, right there. Just enough so that you can draw a curve around her eye. And I'm going to bring this down and around. So same exact thing on the other side. There, and then we're just going to bring it up. So once again, and I'm just going to drag this point across just so I know where I'm going. So same thing about the other side, about right there. And go up with a curve and just enough to bring it down and around the eye. There. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to come back. I'll just work on the center first, right where the nose is, say about right here. I'll give myself a point right in the center. And I'm going to draw a curve around the nose. Then let's bring this down. And we're just going to go ahead and connect everything with a curve. And connect. So same thing here. Just make sure we're at the same level. Hopefully you're using a pencil at home so you can make any adjustments you need. Okay, so now that we have that, take a look at my camera, make sure. Okay, so now that we have this in, let's go ahead, we're going to draw the dumpling shape head. So let's go back to this point right here, and I'm going to come out just a little bit, not too much, and same thing here, just a little bit, and we're going to start to go around. So we're basically drawing like a dumpling shape for our head. So I'm just going to kind of follow the shape of our mask to create our head shape. There. And then let's see here, let's bring this up. So just all my dumpling shapes are a little bit narrower at the top. So let's go back and find our center and say about right here. Just so I know where I'm going with this curve, and we're going to bring it to the top our highest point, and then we're going to come back down to meet up with our point right here. Oops! I'm looking at my camera. This is way too slanted. Okay, let's just thicken this back up and make it thicker. Okay, there. Sorry about that. And then let's come and bring this around. It's always harder because I can't put my head over the drawing. So hopefully you are, so you can get a better perspective. So about right there, I'm gonna give myself a point and bring everything together about right here. And connect. There. Okay, so finally we have the head shape in. A little bit tricky, but hopefully I'm giving you some tips to help you. And so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the ears. So we'll put them in about right here. So say about right here, just draw a curve down, round off the tip and bring it in. And let's thicken it up. So about right here will be thicker and thinner. So same exact thing on the other side, about right here. Draw a curve, and so about right here. And bring it in. So once again, thicker and thinner. There. Okay, so now that we finally have the head in, we need to draw some details. So I'll come about right here and I'm just going to draw a curve and then a curve right here for the different colors on her pattern. And then on the top, I'm just going to come, this is my center. So I'm going to come to the side about right here and just draw some stripes. And here. So two, and then there's one about right here that's kind of like a lightning bolt. Bring it down, go back up, and just follow. So same thing here. And up there. And then there's some here as well. Maybe one more here. So same exact thing on the other side, about right here. And one more. There, now she looks like Ginny, right? Okay, so then from there, let's draw the body. And we're gonna come about right here, right underneath the eye. Just gonna draw a soft curve coming down on both sides. And I'm going to skip a little bit of space and then come about right here, like where the armpits would be. Same thing here. And let's just draw a soft curve. There. Now that we have that, let's bring this down a little bit more. And say about right there, I'm going to cut it off for the belt. Go across, thicken it up. And then come straight down to the center about right here. Just gonna give myself a little line. So this is where the legs are going to start. And I'm gonna come about right here and draw a curve coming out on both sides. Then we can come back in here and bring this down. So it's gonna get a little bit thinner. Bring this down. So just take a look how long you wanna make the legs, and about right there. I'm going to pop this part out and just bring it in and connect for some very simplified feet. So same thing here. Down, come out at an angle, bring this down, pop it out and in. There. And let's draw the hands. So let's come back to this armpit area and we're going to draw a curve that comes down, and the hands are going to be about right here. So So let's just bring it down to about right there. Follow and get a little bit thinner. And about right here, we're just going to draw 2 curves and go back up and connect. So same thing here. And about right there, just like the other side. 2 little bumps and connect. So I've drawn Bitsy and now I'm drawing Ginny here, but all the SuperKitties are pretty much the same. So hopefully you can just use this drawing and then change up the pattern to draw the other SuperKitties. So now that we have that, and let's come in for some detail. I'm come to the center about right here and we're going to draw the logo. So it's basically a cat head. Ears, and then we're just going to bring it down and connect. And then thank goodness it's a heart right in the center, so I don't need to think too hard about where to put the heart. So nice big heart right in the center. And then for some details on the belt, we're going to draw 2 curves and some costume lines right here. Bring this down to about right there, and then I'm going to cut this part off for the boots. So same thing here. There, and then some curves right here and here, and then the hands. Just cut it off about right here and here. And also, if you like, we can add a tail. So if you want to do that about right here, I'm going to draw a curve, go around and thicken it up and in, and then add some stripes and one more. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Ginny here from SuperKitties turned out and that I helped you draw her fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.